Welcome to episode 2 of the Luna Stargazer Build a Dome series. In episode 1, we explored the foundation options for constructing a dome. Today, we are going to take a closer look at the dome framework and all of the considerations that come with making your product selections. First thing that comes to mind is we offer the strongest base level framework in the industry. So if you look at our framework, our standard framework for any dome that is 8 meters or less, so 5 meters, 6 meters, 7 meter, 8 meter, is 32 millimeter diameter by 2 millimeter thickness. The other competition, you'll see them using a 26 millimeter by 1.5 millimeter. Yes, you can save costs, but you lose a lot of strength. As you get into the 10, 11, 12 meter domes, we go up to a 45 millimeter diameter with a 2.5 millimeter thickness. And we can upgrade all of our lower models to that next level if you need additional snow load, wind load, anything for permitting, or you just want that extra peace of mind. Luna Dome framework comes in a choice of 3 colors: a fresh, bright, powder-coated white, a sleek and modern black frame, or for a more industrial look, we offer galvanized steel, our most weather-resistant choice, and one that is the ideal for coastal properties and high humidity zones.